Welcome to the unbelievable. This ferocious predator acts as if he is just a normal house cat.
The universe was unhinged or busted at the start. And that because there's more matter here. A galaxy is going to form here, and we're going to live here. And there'll be nearly empty space in the form.
Just that one little lick.
Explosion of
I
time
don't like it.
and space. With Earth and the
Incredible footage of a man patting and feeding a friendly crocodile called Rambo.
Godt. Godt, Rambo. Og når jeg putter min hånd ind under her, så varmer han op. Op. Det er godt. Ja. Godt, Bølle. Yep. Det var da ikke så slemt. Var det, Bølle? Nej, Bøllebulle.
This large condor frequently visits the man who saved its life as a baby.
Hey, loco, ¿qué te cuenta? ¿Eh? Bueno, dale, vete por acá, Carlita. No, qué cosa hermosa. ¿Eh?
I know what his idea is. He's gonna try and climb through here. Ha! Ha! Wat maak jy? Ah! Boris! Boris! Ah!
Amazing footage of a pair of Arctic wolves being friendly in Canada.
Look at that, eh? I got nothing to eat. Don't you just want to pet them? I do. Oh, wow. Hey, I don't know if I like you this close. You get back. Don't worry. Oh. You guys just gonna smell you. Don't worry.
A family of gorillas get curious about this strange creature known as a human.